Chicken pot pie, truly from scratch and worth the effort. Like, subscribe, and click the bell. I'm Mika from MikasTinyKitchen.com. Ready? Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Prepare the garni with the herbs and peppercorns making stock first. Then make the pot pie. Make the crust and refrigerate. I use pearl onions which I peel. Then cook in the stock. Place the chicken in 8-quart stock pot and put the half onion, bouquet, and celery around the side. Add 10 cups water and 1 cup white wine. Bring to a low boil for 20 minutes. Add 2 teaspoons salt and the peeled pearl onions. Then reduce the heat and keep covered at the simmer for about 35 minutes more. Meanwhile, peel the carrot and cut into half moons, 1/4 inch thick. Dice the celery, cut the mushrooms into quarters or chunks, and finely mince the sage and thyme. Set the chicken aside to cool. Careful, it will be very tender. Remove and lids up the pearl onions. Discard the bouquet and the vegetables. Degrease using a skimmer. Then, uncovered at the simmer, reduce the stock by half, about 45 minutes or more. This concentrates the natural flavors. Melt 1 tablespoon butter in a large sauté pan. Cook the carrots and the celery 5 minutes and add the mushrooms and the 2 teaspoons each of minced sage and thyme. Cook about 5 minutes more. Salt to taste and set aside. Melt 4 tablespoons butter in a 3-quart saucepan. Add half cup flour, stirring constantly until a thick red roux forms. Add 4 cups reduced stock 1 cup at a time, stirring until smooth each time. Stir in 1 cup cream, half teaspoon white pepper, minced parsley, half teaspoon black pepper, and salt. Debone the chicken and clean the meat by ridding it of any tendons, bone fragments, or undesirable meat. Cut the breast into 3/4 inch pieces. Shred the rest. Weigh out 1 1/4 pound of your preferred meat. Add the pearl onions and the peas to the vegetables and stir in the sauce a bit at a time. Reserve leftover meat and stock for tasty soup later. Fill your crocks to just below the rim as shown, or use 2-quart casserole or baking pan. Take your pie crust out of the refrigerator. Quarter it and roll each piece out to a size that generously covers the top and the crocks side partially. If not using crocks, shape according to your pan. Beat the egg in a small bowl. Brush the top edges to help the dough stick. Set the dough on top, tapping down so that center is in contact with the filling. Roughly trim the edges. Use a knife to put a small slit in the top for steam. Brush the egg on the entire dough surface. Place the crocks or other cookware on the baking tray to catch any spills. Put it in the 400-degree oven for 20 minutes. Then reduce the heat to 350 degrees and cook 20 minutes more. Now serve it however you like. I'm serving with a green bean shallot side. So rich and tasty. Flaky butter crust, sage and thyme, chicken, vegetables, and creamy sauce. I'm hungry. I hope you make this recipe soon, and thanks for watching my video.